Hey, what's up? Just wanted to give a quick shout out to Prestige Worldwide. Owner is Leah Bucholz, and my actually independent medical examiner was Heather Call. Did a phenomenal job. I had gone through with obstructive sleep apnea, been denied my first time. Did a higher level review, was denied again my second time. I went back to them, um, and they put together a tremendous, Heather Call put together a tremendous Nexus letter, which kind of just brought everything together. And I immediately got a supplemental review. And during that supplemental review, the examiner did rate me favorably, and I got 50% for my sleep obstructive sleep apnea, so the OSA, after being denied two times before going another route. So highly recommend Prestige Worldwide. Leah is great, and has a great company, and Heather is a great examiner. That, I mean, it was mind-boggling, the letter that she put together for me. So highly recommend them if you're a vet and you're looking to get any type of rating. Give them a call and see what they can do for you. Thanks again. My name is Randall Bowling. Take care.